My Jamaicans, leave down in the comment section and please let me know where.
We have some always.
Always for.
So it's normal size is with wings. Yeah, wings. She always say, take one pack with wings.
Say morning to the face.
Morning, please.
Sarah, look. Look, Sarah. Sarah. Say morning, Fibs. Sarah, look. Here. Say morning, Fibs. Yes, two. Say morning.
Good morning.
I almost broke on my own speed. Hi, Fibs. Good morning. Good afternoon and good night. You guys, I braided my hair yesterday. It took me all day, but mission accomplished. I'll have a busy weekend. I have a busy week next week. So you guys will understand why I had to get this done. Anyway, you guys, it's the final day of Sarah 1 hour transition today. So right now I'm heading out just behind baby, just left to drop Tyler to school and then head to school with Sarah. Then the following week Sarah will be starting her full half day on her own and all that. So wish me luck for day 3. I'm hoping it goes as good as day 2 went. So that's what I'm heading out to do right now. It's Friday at the time of this filming, so you guys know that Friday is super busy for me. Anyway, you guys have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. Oh, where are you heading?
To school.
You ready? Last day of the week. You're gonna have a good weekend. Anyway, you guys, we're out of here. We are at the same park that we stopped at every single morning before going into school, and Sarah Ron came to me and said, Mama, school. I think that's a good sign to say she's ready to go in, so she know the routine now and she know where she's going. So I have confidence that today will go well. So I tell her to eat a snack first before she go in, because I don't want her to go in and be hungry within the hour. So yeah, I think she knows what's going on now. Smart girl. Where you at? Hello, cuckoo Sarah, I'm under here. Hello. I see you. Diddy. I see you down. Da. What number? Yeah. 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 Good job. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Yay! Oh my gosh, you guys. It has been such a long day. I haven't talked to you guys since this morning, since I left home. So I took Sarah to school, and school day 3 went well. My girl didn't cry. Hey. We have to give it up, Ty. Sarah didn't cry at school today. Haha. Picked up Tyler just now. I went back home from Sarah school session and did a bunch of stuff. Pick up Tyler, and now I'm heading to the supermarket. Baby's still at work. So the next time you guys will see us is the crazy and the fun and the excitement of the supermarket haul. So catch you guys in a bit. Come Sarah, it's time for the... Give me the banana. Take it. Look at her, it's time for that. She just dropped the banana in the couch.
Your fault.
Oh my gosh.
Face. Sarah, come here.
It's time for the
Supermarket haul.
Yay! See your banana here.
Wagwan.
And because Sarah is potty trained, we need a lot of tissue.
Extra tissue.
Extra tissue for the potty trainer.
Potty train. Anyway, you guys, we just got back from the supermarket, so let's jump right into the haul right now because I'm hungry. So I just want to get it over with.
Popcorn.
Get the stage. Get on the stage.
Mama, can I eat popcorn?
Yes, you can definitely have popcorn, but not right now. Come, let's go. Let's go. What are you eating? What is that?
Why are you doing that, Sarah?
What are you eating?
That's your dance?
Anyway, let's go, people.
Oh, my bag, my bag.
Your bag first. All right, let's get into it. Pretzel. What is the
Granola.
Granola. Come on,
It's a lot
let's
of
go.
vanilla, no?
Sarah too.
Okay.
Donut.
Donut. C'est quoi donut en français? Donut.
C'est beignet.
Non, beignets avec le petit truc dans le milieu.
Et là, il y a écrit quoi sur le paquet?
Donut.
Yeah?
C'est quand même beignet.
Don't know. Ça c'est écrit donut. I bet you. Donut.
You can't chew properly?
Dudes. Dude soup.
She was so excited she saw D.
Wait. Let me check again to find the word donut.
Excuse me?
They call it dude soup.
First grade.
No. Tyler. Try.
I'm gonna send you the train. What's the name of the train?
No, the one that we
book.
saw. No.
Tell me the book.
Wait, I have an explanation.
What is the explanation?
When Tyler and I go to the boulangerie, this one with the circle in the middle is written donut, and the one with the filler in the middle is written
Beignet.
beignet.
Okay, what's the difference?
Dude soup.
Papa, ça c'est donut et ce qu'on a fait la semaine dernière c'est beignet, c'est différent.
Voilà.
T'as aussi, tu sais pas lire?
Si je sais lire.
What the hell is
Je suis au C1.
calme-toi.
Oh my god. I have to laugh.
Dude soup.
I have to laugh.
I look for the word donut.
Yeah, she's still looking for the word donuts. She won't find it, so yeah, let's.
Well, he was wrong too, huh? Said dude soup.
I went to catch them and half of the packet was just.
Yeah, hold on. What did you say? Let's go do what?
Yeah.
Let's go.
What is this?
Let's go rock, paper, scissors. Come, you and mama play. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright,
Alright, let's go. What are you eating? You can't be eating and leave the house.
we have some yogurt, we have a good one.
We can't rock, paper, scissors the entire time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You're losing all the time.
I'm not gonna show that to Sarah.
Oh no, you can't even show it to face because Sarah going to see that she must stand right now.
We have some.
Whisper, it's lollipop.
We have some.
Sarah's favorite sugar is chocolate. Sarah, what is this? Stop doing that. What is this? It's a rice cake.
Rice cake.
She
Sarah,
call
what
it
is
chocolate.
this?
Watch my bum.
Oh, it's a rice cake.
We have
Sarah,
another
what
monster
is
man. Hey, the packet looks empty.
Yes,
Look at
after
empty
it.
packet. We have
No.
bio biscuit
Let's
here.
go. Sarah, sit down.
I'm like you. I'm discovering what is there. So I will try not to complain about the unnecessary things that she took.
Okay, when you take up, you tell Faves what is the unnecessary thing, okay? Okay? Okay?
The donuts, so-called donuts, is unnecessary.
The donut for your child is unnecessary.
Yeah. It's big enough. It's fat enough.
Come, let's go. Come.
Did you get only A's this week?
Sarah, what is this?
It's not this better.
Look, sorry, you're not joking.
Not necessary.
Break.
Necessary.
It's necessary.
The
Do
Coca-Cola is necessary.
Let's go. She don't know, say bye. Sarah, favorite. Sure now, sure no, babe.
Sarah, c'est quoi ça?
Sarah, look.
Le baby.
Sarah, c'est quoi ça?
Sarah, look at Papa.
Strawberry.
Who buys strawberry in January, my God?
You know,
Strawberry.
oh my God. Me say, you know, calm down.
Strawberry.
I didn't want to show. Last week I saw strawberry.
Strawberry.
Sarah, stop doing that.
Strawberry.
Stop doing that.
Alright, so what we have here? We have some bread. We have different type of bread. We have rice.
You guys, this is where you want to show her the strawberries?
Clinic.
We have some mouchoir, tissue.
What's that? Don't break it.
Tomato sauce. Somebody like spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. They already see this. Let's go. Spaghetti.
We have celery.
Oh my God. Give him Sarah strawberry in white shirt. Watch out.
Well, she enjoying it.
But now the shirt stain. Hello, let me go put it in the water as me take her down. Juice for Sarah.
Juice for us.
And Tyler. That's okay, Ty. Mama take care of it.
Yeah.
Because the more strawberry Sarah eat,
Oh, somebody gonna take care of the house, of the clothes. We have white.
somebody gonna take care of the clothes. Don't we always take care of the clothes? So like the ones.
Mayonnaise.
Look at these things are on sale. Yogurt for Sarah, that one.
That is Danonino.
We have some half. Oh, it's a pack of 2 half.
No.
I say it's light.
Danonino.
We have lotion. I will say Melissa, lotion every day, 5 times per day. Otherwise, the skin turn white.
There's no shame in my lotion game.
We have to buy this every week. A pack of 5 every week. That's how much she uses. So desktop in French, desktop is something to use. It's very good. It's something to use for the pipe when the pipe start like having a lot of it
Not the
inside.
pipe, the drain.
The drain.
Yeah.
You just put it in and it's cleaning everything. We have some tangerine.
Yeah. Sarah stayed here, the pizza not cook. I'm gonna cook.
We have some
What the
olives.
chef is always for.
So it's normal size is with wings. Yeah, wings. She always say, take 1 pack with wings.
Sarah, see, you soon get strawberries. Mama soon get strawberries, okay?
We have salt. You know when it's sell time, we have to take care of the things. We have to take 3. It's not gonna spoil. We have peck. Peck is for the plate. We have tetle. I think it's British. Yeah, British. English breakfast. She's just having that all around the clock. 2 every time. She put thin milk, hot water, tetle. Gets in the Jamaican tea. We have some apples. C'est quoi ça, Sarah? Apple. Apple and c'est quoi ça? Banana. Apples and banana. We have
That's
a good
a
amount
lot
of
more
apples.
strawberry.
Yes, we have some cucumber.
Here, Sarah.
For cucumber.
For shovel.
Cheval with the plantain. And we have 2 pack of
Chicken.
chicken type, big chicken.
What we're gonna wrap paper scissors to when the haul finish. Alright, you guys, in this one is frozen things, and you know the original is yogurt and broccoli and ratatouille is the only 2 things I got this week. I have some leftovers from last week.
Sometimes we
chocolate
feel for
yogurt at night.
Coca-Cola, so we buy it. Don't judge me.
Yeah, it's our little treat.
I like it.
And we have eggs. We have have salmon.
Salmon.
Yeah.
Salmon.
Not
Salmon.
salmon. They don't say the L in salmon.
Really? You just said salmon?
Yes, they don't say salmon. No.
Salmon.
Really?
You sure it's not
Stop
salmon?
playing.
Didn't I know?
Of course you know. You
No,
know
I know, Mr. Salmon.
ginger. Chuchu Ben?
Yeah.
Say God no.
God no.
No, you don't say the L. The L is
You
silent.
true?
Of course.
You sure about your English?
100% sure.
It's not
I
Jamaican.
say salmon sometime,
It's
but
not-
you're not supposed
It's
to.
not Jamaican.
No.
It's
I
real
said salmon
English.
sometime, but you're not supposed
It's really
to. It's
English.
really English.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Anyway, you guys, that's it for the supermarket haul. A bunch of chaos
No,
as
no, no,
usual.
no, that's not it. We have some more. We have some nana without wing. So why are you trying to hide your nana?
You finish stand on me? Me not no shame enough, so you can do all you want.
You want me to show the next one things that you hear?
Go right ahead.
I want to do PPC.
No, this one is
Come, rock, paper, scissors. What were rock, paper, scissors into?
If I lose, if I
I'll
if
slap you.
no,
Sarah, stop doing your hands like that.
if I lose, I don't have no do. I
No
don't have
good
no.
souk.
No, I don't have no popcorn.
No. Yes, if you lose, you get a cold water shower.
No, if I lose, I don't have no popcorn.
Okay.
If I win, I have popcorn.
Okay, let's go, Sarah.
You ready
Come,
to play
come.
for that?
Yes.
Ready? Me and Sarah playing same time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Even. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two papa. Focus, guys. What you
Rock,
doing?
paper.
No. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One die. Come back, die. Focus. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I get this.
I still have popcorn.
Oh, it's a team. No.
You win.
Anyway,
Sarah
guys,
win.
Sarah won. I kick his ass. And sometimes it's good to kick his ass. I mean, he's
Let
too
him learn that
cocky,
he's not
too
always
confident.
win.
So I have to show him, remind him who is the boss.
Anyway, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and pack away these things. You guys, I know all my Jamaicans will know exactly what this is. Crawfish that I'm about to cook up a bit. Cook already, but the girl is gonna re-cook it with some pepper. Yeah, girl. Right wrong. Then I'm gonna eat it. Lots of pepper. Oh, by the way, if any of my Jamaicans know where I can get this Scotch bonnet pepper powder, comment down below and let me know. My friend Daniel went to Jamaica, got back and bring it for me, and it is heaven. But the way it good and the way it little, I know it I go finish in no time. It bad. My Jamaicans, leave down in the comment section and please let me know where I can find this hot Scotch bonnet pepper powder, because when I tell you that it's lit, and those crawfish was so good, not as good as it would have been if I had cooked it from the start, but it changes the flavor a little bit. But the pepper bad. So I need you guys help, please you guys. I need this pepper in my life. I need to know where I can find it. If you guys know, I'm looking forward to the comments in the comment section. The same brand, it does bad. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and leave today's vlog here. So hopefully you guys enjoy. The following vlogs to come will be amazing for the next few days. So please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Click your notification bell, that way you don't miss a video. Give this video a thumbs up and catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.